Hi, I'm Michelle and I've partnered with Heartsease Farm to bring you some delicious seasonal bakes. Today I'm going to show you how to make a raspberry, white chocolate and almond loaf cake. To make the glaze for the raspberry, white chocolate and almond loaf cake, I'm just going to add some of the Heartsease Farm raspberry lemonade to some icing sugar. We want this icing to be quite thick so it holds its shape when it's piped. So now the consistency is right, I'm going to add a little bit of pink food gel and give it a little mix. I'm now going to put this into a piping bag, ready to pipe on top of the cake. To ice the cake, I'm just going to snip off the end of the piping bag, and using a zigzag technique, I'm just going to go back and forth nice and slow, encouraging it to drip slightly off the edge. So I'm just going back and forth all the way to the end of the cake, applying even pressure all the way along. I'm going to scatter some freeze-dried raspberries all over the top and top with some dried cornflower petals. To find out more, head over to the website.